Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy a gift card for any game on the Epic Games Store. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then use the Google search box to search for the gift card for the particular game from Epic Store that you want to buy. Once you type in the gift card along with the game name within the search box and start your search, you will be able to find various different results from various different stores. Go ahead and choose a verified link, and then you can click on the Get Started button, and then you can proceed forward with buying your gift card. Just choose the amount that you want to load within the gift card that you want to buy, and then you can proceed with buying your gift card by clicking on the Add to Cart button. After doing this, you will be asked to continue with your payment method. Go ahead and click on the Continue button and proceed with providing your payment details. After finalizing your details, your gift card will be delivered to you, either through email or physical delivery. And there you have it. That is how you can buy a gift card from Epic Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.